fucking sweet.
I'm getting the fuck out of the way. Let's hope nothing bad happens here.
Nice. Oh, nice.
Come over here, Ryan. Over here. Yeah, straight up there. That way.
Oh shit. Fuck that. Oh shit.
That's some serious abuse.
Yeah, man. Dude, there are 2 huge divots. They ain't going nowhere.
Okay, now give her some, straighten the tires though. Okay, go. Give her a little bit of gas pedal.
Woo!
Everybody is well.
That's fucking.
Dude, he can make it up this side probably.
Yeah, try over here.
So that back tire will go up.
Dude, you're not gonna make that shit. No.
He hits it a little harder.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Shit. Not jump starting because I got 2 wheel.
It's fucking all ice. This side doesn't get any sun.
Told you he wasn't gonna make it, man. You see the fucking the holes, man.
So go drive down and jump 'em.
Dude, how are we gonna get cables over here for fuck's sake?
Drive around on the far side of your truck.
Shit.